Hello guys, welcome to NumTech channel. My name is Nehemiah, and today we are going to discuss NumPy sorting arrays. This is lesson 13 on NumPy, and remember NumPy is a very fundamental course on data science. You must grab some skills here on NumPy for you to be good in data science. Now guys, before we begin, if it's your first time to get into this channel, please consider subscribing and also like the video. And to the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your continued support. You can as well like the video so that we may reach very many people. Now guys, talking about sorting arrays. So first of all, let's understand what sorting means in NumPy. Guys, basically sorting means putting elements in an ordered sequence. Now talking about ordered sequence, so basically ordered sequence is any sequence that has order corresponding to elements, like numerical or alphabetical or ascending or descending order. Now the NumPy ND-array object has a function called sort, which will sort specified arrays. So guys, basically let me show you an example how to sort an array. And remember, before anything, when dealing with NumPy, you must import the module with the import keyword, and then the module itself is NumPy. Remember, a module is like a code library. So this is NumPy, but we are importing it as an alias, np. Basically, you can just use NumPy itself, but then for me, I always prefer to work with alias. Now the next thing is I'm gonna create here an object with variable perhaps a, and then here the np array, and then I'm gonna create here a list, perhaps let me say 2 3 perhaps 5, or let me say 0, or let me say something like 6, whichever values you have. Then guys, here the print function. Remember, the print function is used to execute the codes at the terminal. So let me say print, and then here the print function, let me now sort it, np dot sort. Remember, I told you that these are sort function will sort the specified arrays. So you must specify the array that you want to sort, of which in our case is a. So guys, basically I forgot to assign. You must assign variables, otherwise you'll have an error at the terminal. And then now guys, to run it, you remember how to run to print this codes at the terminal. You click on the run button, and then guys, you are going to give it time so that it may print out. And then guys, you can see that it has sorted these elements in a ascending order. Or let me just add here some elements, like let me say here 1, perhaps let me say 10. So guys, it will ascend by default. It will ascend. Actually, it will sort these elements in ascending order. Now guys, basically remember that this method returns a copy of the array, leaving the original array unchanged. Now you can also sort arrays of strings or any other data type. Now like let's try to sort an array alphabetically, but here for strings you must use the double bracket. So here, actually double quotes, sorry guys, perhaps let me say apple, and then perhaps let me say something, another fruit like a banana, and then also perhaps let me say a mango, and then what else, perhaps let me say cherry, or whichever fruit guys you like, or whichever strings you have. Then guys, basically you can see that it arrange these fruits in alphabetical order. So guys, basically let's try to sort the booleans. Now the booleans arrays, perhaps let's here try to sort the booleans. Remember, the booleans have only 2 values, the true and the false. So perhaps let me say true. and then also let me say false, and then again perhaps let me say true. So guys, let me try to sort these booleans, and then guys, you can see it does what it sorts even the booleans. And so guys, let's now try to sort the two-dimensional arrays. So guys, if you use the sort method on two-dimensional array, both arrays will be sorted. Like so here let me just change and provide a two-dimensional array here. Here, sorry, let me say, let me use integers this time. Sorry, don't know. Perhaps let me say 1, 3, 5, or 4. Basically, the related bit 3 the way it is, and then now the second element I'm gonna create another one, like let me say 6, perhaps let me say 0, or let me just add something like 6, and then 5, and then notice let me say 2, and then now to run it, guys, I'll click on the run button, and then guys, basically you can see that both elements are now sorted in this two-dimensional array. The first elements, actually the first array, it is sorted in alphabetical order, actually in ascending order, the same way to the second array here, the second element of this array. So guys, basically I think by now you understand how to sort arrays in NumPy, and this is what I wanted to show you in this video. Please go ahead, subscribe, like, and share the video to your friends. Until next time, this is Nehemiah. Goodbye.